Welcome back to my channel again. I am Gagan and I am a yoga teacher. Today I'll tell you 6 easy asanas to cure thyroid. So let's start with our first asana. First asana is Ushtrasana, camel pose. Stand on the knees. Now lean backward slowly and right hand will touch right heel and left hand will touch left heel. Try to stay in this position for 30 to 40 seconds. You can repeat this asana 3 to 5 times daily to cure thyroid. Breathing should be normal. It is very helpful in thyroid. Either it is hypothyroid or hyperthyroid. You can do this asana daily. Now slowly come back and sit in Vajrasana. नेक्स्ट आसन है हमारा कोबरा पोज, भुजंगासन, जिसको हम उल्टे लेट के स्टमक के ऊपर करते हैं. Lie down on your stomach. Now place your hands near your chest and flatten your feet. Join your legs and slowly come up and look up. Try to hold this position for 30 to 40 seconds or as much as you can. It is also very beneficial to cure thyroid gland. You can repeat this asana 5 to 10 times and after that relax in Makarasana. Next asana is Dhanurasana, bow pose जिसको हम कहते हैं. ये भी हम स्टमक के ऊपर लेट के ही उल्टे लेट के करेंगे. Lie flat on the stomach with the legs and feet together and the arms and the hands beside the body. Bend the knees and bring the heels close to the buttocks. Now push the feet away from the body, the back, lifting the thighs, chest and head together. Keep the arms straight. This is the final position and try to stay in this position for 10 to 20 seconds. Come back in Makarasana. Next आसन है हमारा मत्स्य आसन यानी कि fish pose. Lie down on the back, lean backward, using the arms for support and rest the top of the head on the floor. Place the palms on the floor. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. It regulates the function of the thyroid gland and stimulates the thymus gland, boosting the immune system. Next आसन है हमारा सर्वांगासन, जिसमें पूरा प्रेशर जो है वो हमारे विशुद्धि चक्र पे होता है क्योंकि वो लॉक हो जाता है. तो वो कैसे करना है? Let's see. Lie on the back. Check that the head and spine are aligned and that the legs are straight with the feet together. Place the hands beside the body with the palm facing down. Relax the entire body and mind. Try to stay in this position for 10 to 30 seconds. By pressing the chest against the chin, this asana stimulates the thyroid gland. Repeat this asana for 5 times. नेक्स्ट है हलासन. हलासन में भी हमारे पैर जो है वो पूरे जमीन पे पीछे टच हो जाएंगे एंड जो हमारा थायराइड ग्लैंड है यानी कि विशुद्धि चक्र है यहाँ पे वो लॉक हो जाता है एंड वो एक्टिवेट होने में हेल्प करता है. Lie down on the back. Lower the legs over the head. Bring the toes towards the floor. Now stay in this position for 10 to 30 seconds. It regulates the activities of the thyroid gland, which balances the body's metabolic rate. This asana should not be practiced by those who suffer from slip disc, sciatica or any serious back injury. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope आपको सारे आसन समझ आए होंगे एंड अगर आपको इनके रिलेटेड कुछ भी क्वेरी है तो आप मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं.